Today I'm going to give you a quick look at the water bottle slash fan from the company HandFan. So with all my purchases on Amazon, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item. They want to see what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Let me give you a quick look at the specs on this bottle. So cool thing about this bottle, 20-ounce water bottle, and then it has a 2600 milliampere rechargeable fan that you can use as well. So let me give you a quick look at everything. First, let's look at the water bottle. They have two different color options. I went with the black. It also comes in a blue. Has a nice thick rubber carrying strap on the side. It is adjustable. You can pull this out actually and clean it, or you can pull the whole ring or gasket off of the lid if you don't want to have this on here. They also give you a carabiner if you want to clip it maybe onto a bike or something. You get a couple different lids. If you don't want to use the fan lid, they give you a regular plastic lid. Obviously, you get the instruction manual. Not a whole lot to it. You get a replacement straw, and then you have one straw that's already built in case you need to pull it out and clean it. They give you 3 filters that you can use for filtering your water. And then let me show you the charge cord. It takes a regular USB Type-C charge cable, and that's what they provide with the fan. So let's take a look at the lid itself. It's kind of cool the way they designed this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the bottle. You have a cap on the top. You can leave your straw exposed, so if you want to drink, you can, or you can turn it so your straw can't pop out. You'll see now it's locked in place. You can also remove the cap completely, and that's what exposes your fan. So a couple things on the fan part. You have a rubber flap here that covers your charging input for your Type-C cable. And then basically, this just simply pulls back. You can adjust it to any level you want. You have an on-off button in here. If I press the on button, it turns on my fan to the low setting. It's nice and quiet. It puts out a lot of air. You have 3 different levels. So if I pressed it once, it turned on the low setting. You'll notice there's also a battery level indicator here. 25, 50, 75, and then 100% to show you your battery level. Press it again. Goes to the medium level. A third time takes you to the high setting. That's as loud as it's going to get. That is high. And then press it a 4th time, it will turn it off. I should mention if you leave it on low or medium and then you close the lid, because the lid presses the button, it will turn it on automatically. When you open it back up, it will resume whatever your last setting was. And then once you're done, you can simply put the lid back on. And again, you can put it to where the straw is not exposed at all, or you can put it to where you have the opening for the straw, and you can turn it to lock the straw if you want. Really cool gadget, especially if you're in an area with a lot of high heat. I hope the video helps.